Protecting your life insurance, which may be disintegrating without you even realizing it. Joining us now to explain, financial advisor and managing director of the Toli Center, Henry Montag. Thank you so much for your time. So last time we talked, about 30% of unsecured life insurance policies may be disintegrating without us knowing it. Let's talk now about what can we do about it.
Majority of people aren't even aware that their policies aren't guaranteed, nor that reduced interest rates over the years cause those policies to mature prematurely. Now, the insurance companies, we said they send out the same premium notice that they sent out over the last 20 years, but interest rates are, of course, much lower today than they were back then. And people get their bills, they pay it, and then they discover that the premium wasn't enough to be able to keep those policies in force into the mid-'80s. So remember, it's not the insurance company's job nor the agent's job to make sure that you've been paying enough premium to keep those policies in force. Life insurance just has to be managed. Life insurance has to be actively managed, just like a stock and bond portfolio.
So what types of policies? There's lots of different types of life insurance policies. What types are affected by this?
So a whole life policy is, of course, guaranteed, but universal or variable policies aren't. Term policies are guaranteed to last for 10, 20, or 30 years, but all term coverage ends by the time an individual is basically 85. And that's just not long enough because most people live beyond that. And as we know, life expectancy is growing. Now, the point to keep in mind here is that you can convert a term policy to last longer, but it has to be done before age 65 or 70.
Give me a specific example of what can be done.
Well, once you know that once you've taken the policy out from the drawer and you know that that policy is not going to last as long as you want, you can either reduce the death benefit, you can increase the premium. If you're healthy enough, you can perhaps purchase a new policy, or you can sell your policy as a life settlement, and instead of paying, collect money. Point is, don't ignore your policy. Don't think about the fact that you don't understand it. Get some help and do what you have to do to make sure that your policy lasts as long as you do.